Good morning, Sairam, my dear children. How are you all? I hope that you all are fit and fine at your places. Children, today in our maths class, we are going to do some of the practice questions based on chapter Play with Patterns. Children, as we have done already chapter Play with Patterns, today we are going to do practice on that chapter, some of the questions. So, let's see first question. Find out A and B so as to make sum equal on each side of the triangle. Children, we have to find out the sum that should be equal on all sides of triangle. First of all, we will see the sum of this what we get, like 6 plus 2 plus 1 is your 9. So, in place of A and B, what should be written so that the sum of this side and this side should be equal to 9. Okay, children? So, let's see here 3, 1. 4 is given, 3 plus 1 is 4. What we will add that will makes equal to 9. If we add 5 here, so our sum should be equal to this side. How? 3 plus 5 plus 1. That will gives you 9. Okay. Now, same with this side. A here. What should be written here? That should be equal to 9. 3 plus 2 is 5. So, here we will write 4. That will gives you 9. So, in place of A, we will write A, and in place of B, we will write 5. So that our sum of all the sides should be equal. Now, question number 2. Now, let's see question number 2. 4P, 3Q. There are 4 triangles given over here. But here, one of the triangle is missing. What should become so that triangle should be completed? Okay. Now 4P, 3Q, 2R. Now what should be written in this triangle that your pattern should be completed? Means in number form it is in decreasing form, but in alphabetical form it should be in increasing order. You can see P, Q, R and S. S is your alphabet. Okay. This is in increasing order. Understood? And but your number is in decreasing form. Like 4, 3, 2 means 1 is minus in that. So that will gives you number 1. So your triangle, missing triangle should be 1S. You will write in this triangle 1S. So your pattern should be completed. While writing this, you can see here in this triangle you will write 1S. Okay, capital only. So 4P, 3Q, 2R and 1S. This will complete your pattern. Understood? Now, question number 3. Question number 3 you can see here 80, 40, 20. So children, let's see over here how they have written. They are doing in decreasing form. But what decreasing pattern they are following? 80 minus 40 means 80 minus 40 means they have deducted 40. That will gives you 40. Now they have taken 20. How? 40, 20 means 20 form they are taking over here. So, you will write 40 minus 20. that will gives you 20. Now 20 minus 10, that will gives you 10. Now first 40 form, then 20, then 10 we have taken. So your answer should be here 10. Your answer should be here 10. Okay. Now come to question number 5. They have given you some of the pattern. Here they have written 6A7, 7B7, 8C7. So first of all we will check what is common between them. 7 is common in all. Okay. And they have taken alphabets in increasing form. How? A, B, C. It is not decreasing form. It is not left side form that it should be increasing. Decreasing form, what should be? We have C, B, A. That should be decreasing. But they have taken in straight line form, that is increasing form, A, B and C. So our alphabet should be D. Our alphabet should be D. Now they have taken number. Number also they have taken in increasing form. So they are adding 1 in all the number. That will gives you your next number. For example, they have taken 6 plus 1. That will gives you 7. Okay. So first number is 6. Second number is 7. If you add 7 plus 1, that will gives you 8. Now if you add one more to next number, 8 plus 1, that will gives you 9. Means your answer should be 9D7. Understood? 1 is added in the number. Okay, that is 9. Your alphabet should be in your increasing form. That gives you D. But with your last digit number, that is 7. That is same in all. So your answer should be in this triangle 9D7. 9D7. Understood? Now come to next question. Sixth question. They have taken 30, 20, but here the blank is missing. And they have given you multiples of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. Okay. 5 fours are 20. What will come here? 5 fives are 25. You can do in two form. How? If we are starting from here, we are adding 5. 5 plus 5, that will gives you 10. Understood? 10 plus 5, that will gives you 15. Okay. Now 15 plus 5, that will gives you 20. Okay. And 20 plus 5, that will gives you 25. So your answer should be here 25. Understood? And here you will write 25 plus 5, that will gives you 30. So your pattern should be completed. If you are adding 5 in all, that will gives you 25. If you are taking multiples of 5, that will also gives you 25, because we are doing multiplying, but when we are adding that same number up to that times, that will also gives you same. For example, if we are taking 3 times, okay, and if we are adding 3 up to 3 times, means 3 plus 3 plus 3, that will gives you 9. And if you are doing 3 multiply by 3, that will gives you also 9. 3 into 3, that will gives you 9. So if we are adding 3 up to 3 times, that will gives you 9. And if we are multiplying 3 into 3, that will also gives you 9. So if we are taking multiplication form in pattern, if we are taking adding form, that should be same, and that will give you number same. Understood? Now come to next question. Question number 7. Question number 7 is, they have given you two square form. Okay, in that they have taken some of the numbers like 3, 4, 5, 6, and how they have taken that numbers, they have taken in increasing form. They have taken in increasing form. For example, 3 plus 1, that will give you 4. 4 plus 1, that will give you 5. 5 plus 1, that will give you 6. Understood? And if we are taking multiples, so that will also gives you same. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, means up 3 threes are 9s. Okay, 4 3 fours are 12, means 4 3 5s are, that they have taken. 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 12 they have missing. 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, means 5 multiples. 3 threes are 9, 4 threes are 15, 5 5s are 25. Now what we can take here, that will give you same multiple, means 3 into 3, that will give you 9. 5 into 5, that will give you 25. Understood? If we are taking same with that, means 3 5s are or 5 3s are. So what number should be taken, that will give you same? You can take that 6 6 are 36. How you can take 6 6 are 36? Or you can take what you can take, they have taken 5 3 threes are 9 and 3 threes are 9 and 5 5s are 25. But here they have taken 4 threes are 15. 4 threes are 15. So what we can take, if we are leaving one block, we can take over here like 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. We will not take 6 6 ja. But if we are taking to the next box, we are moving to the next box. If 7 is written here, then we can take 7 into 7. You can see 3 threes are 9, but they have left one box. Okay, and they have did multiplication one into other. So like 4 into 3, that will gives you 15. So same with this box, we will take multiplication by first one, means 6 into 5, that will gives you 30. Okay, but if next number is given to you, that is 7, that will gives you multiplication of 2 times, that is 7 7s are 49. But they have taken first or second number, multiply with each other. For example, 4 into 3, that gives you 15, or 6 into 5, that will gives you 30. So don't get confused that we will take 6 6 because multiple form we are taking in one when we are leaving one box, means they have left this box. Same with the process we did, we left this box, then we will move on to other. So what we have to do, 6 5s are, means 4 3s are, that gives you 15. So 6 5s are 30. So your answer should be 30. Don't get confused that 5 5s are 25, 3 3s are 9. So we have to take 6 6s are 36. No, we have to left one box, means 6 5s are 30. That will give you same pattern form, because we have to follow same pattern form what we are moving with that. So your answer should be 30. Understood? I hope these questions should be clear to you. So these pattern questions you will do in your maths fair notebook. Understood? Don't get confused what work I am giving you, that you have to do in your maths fair notebook. Okay children? So Thank you and bye. Don't get confused. So children, thank you and bye.